5 jobs robots cannot do. Number 5, teachers. Simply put, robots won't replace teachers because they can't inspire us. It's the talk of the town. When you say the word future, you hear robots. Artificial intelligence is rapidly growing, and the fear of losing your job to technology has become very real. The most important thing is a person. A person who incites your curiosity and feeds your curiosity, and machines cannot do that in the same way that people can. Teachers are not only there to support and gauge the needs of students in terms of their skill level and basic knowledge, teachers create situations for students to work together and collaborate. Number 4, journalist. Robots can write, sort of, but no robot or piece of software can act like a human brain when it comes to digging deep into a story in search of the truth. Good journalism will always be in demand. In fact, in the age of content we now live in, good writing is becoming an increasingly rare commodity. Millions of people inform each other about everything on the planet. There is a lot of rubbish on the internet, but everyone consumes information that is carefully selected to suit their interests. Content on the web is not filtered before publication, it is filtered after when it's distributed. As a result of that, legacy media lose monopoly in shaping the news agenda. Interesting stories by real writers that readers want to share over their social networks are highly valued. Number 3, writers. Writing is art. Putting thoughts into words is an extremely difficult task. Writers have to create and produce original content out of others' ideas, situations, or their imaginations. Although machines excel at analyzing structured data, robots can't mimic the talent, creativity, and imagination of a good writer. AI can help with automated social media messages, writing prompts, title or headline suggestions, spot checking for clarity, and plagiarism scan. But books, plays, and movies will always be written by humans. Robots' capabilities are limited to what they are programmed to do. They can't generate creative, innovative, and original ideas as humans. Number 2, psychiatrists. Robots can never comprehend the problems within the human mind, as well, they can't communicate on the same level as a human conversation. Also, psychology is a profession, where the human touch is certainly preferable. Both psychiatrists and psychologists apply their behavior, learning, and expertise in mental health to help people succeed emotionally, behaviorally, socially, and academically. Robots cannot help people with their mental problems. So it's quite impossible to have a robot psychiatrist or psychologist.
Number 1, software developers. Creating innovative and useful applications, software, and websites out of concrete ideas is hard and near impossible to do. In this field, you need to have the skills, passion, and creativity of a developer in order to create amazing applications. Until the robots have robots of their own to install and maintain them, humans are going to be needed to design, plan, install, manage, and maintain any robotics, technology, or AI systems. This takes us back to my first point about understanding what technology is capable of. The more familiar you are with the technology, the more valuable you will be in helping implement and maintain it.